Found near the heart of the Milky Way, this venomous Goliath of a constellation is home to my favorite nighttime star. My name is Jim Bader, and this week, we're going to be talking about Scorpius. Welcome everyone to UTA Planetarium's Weekly Night Sky. On to the topic for this week's episode. Scorpius has been a staple of the summer to fall sky for thousands of years. As one of the oldest known constellations, Scorpius has been recognized as such since the Babylonians. A gathering of stars that quickly takes a shape of some kind, it is also another group of stars that finds itself a constellation in many cultures around the world. While it may be known as Scorpius in the official constellation list, Scorpius is just a Latin word that means scorpion. However, in many Polynesian views of the stars, it is known as the Great Fishhook of Maui. If you've seen the Disney movie Moana, you may have saw that coming. Finding Scorpius is not a difficult task. This time of the year, you can find the constellation in the south to southeastern sky just after sunset, marked by a hook shape topped with the reddest of stars in the sky, Antares. Antares is a red supergiant, so big in fact that if you put it in the center of our solar system, it would expand out beyond the orbit of Mars. As mentioned in a previous episode, the scorpion we see today is a bit cropped from its earlier versions. The constellation of Libra was vastly a part of the constellation Scorpius, including Scorpius's claws. Once you can locate this constellation, we can talk a little bit more about what you can find here. The Scorpion is very near the same direction as the center of our Milky Way, and because of this, you can find quite a lot of exciting objects with binoculars. The first I'd like to bring up, called Messier IV, is a loose globular cluster. Visible with a pair of binoculars or a small telescope, M4 can be found just to the west of the bright red star Antares. Another of my favorite objects in the constellation is just above the stinger. Messier VII, or the Ptolemy cluster, is an open cluster or a group of loosely gravitationally bound stars. It was first recorded by the ancient astronomer Ptolemy in the 2nd century, hence the name Ptolemy cluster. That's it for this week's episode. Come back next week to find out more about what's up in your backyard. Until next Friday, UTA Planetarium wishes you clear skies. Hello everyone, these videos are designed to help you identify and see what's up at night. Please feel free to follow along with the real sky, or if that's not an option, you can download an application similar to the one we used to make this video. I can recommend Stellarium as a great place to start. Stellarium is a free software that's available for both computers and mobile devices. So whether using a laptop, tablet, or cell phone, you can still follow along. Look for a link in the description.